Starting a business can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I will show you how to start a business in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Identify a problem that you can solve with your product or service. This is the foundation of your business idea. You need to find a gap in the market that you can fill with your unique value proposition. Step 2. Validate your idea by doing market research. You need to test your assumptions and see if there is enough demand for your solution. You can use online tools, surveys, interviews, or focus groups to gather feedback from your target audience. Step 3. Create a business plan that outlines your vision, mission, goals, strategies, and financial projections. A business plan is a roadmap that guides you through the different stages of your business development. It also helps you attract investors, partners, and customers. Step 4. Register your business name and legal structure. You need to choose a name that reflects your brand identity and is easy to remember. You also need to decide on the legal form of your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. Step 5. Launch your business and start marketing. You need to create a website, logo, and social media accounts for your business. You also need to promote your product or service using various channels, such as online ads, email marketing, content marketing, or word of mouth. Following these 5 steps will help you launch a successful, sustainable, and profitable business. So, what kind of business you are thinking of starting? Please leave a comment and we shall help you out. Also, to learn more about business and management, you can visit skilltex.com and follow us on all social media platforms. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to our channel to be up to date to all our new releases.